Hello, let's learn English with Zdenek. It's gonna be fun. Let's go! Hello, and a very warm welcome back to American and British English with Zdenek. I'm Zdenek, your English tutor. It's lovely to have you here. If you're joining me for this very first vocabulary session, it means you've made the wonderful decision to start learning, and that's absolutely brilliant. Today, we are building the strongest possible foundation at level A0, the absolute beginner. We'll learn the first 5 indispensable words you need. For each one, I'll explain exactly how you can use it, and we'll practice with a clear, simple sentence. Your job is to listen, understand, and repeat. Are you ready? Let's start with hello. You can use it in the following ways. As a standard greeting when you see someone. For example, hello, Bob. How are you? Second, to answer the phone, you would say, hello, this is Zdenek speaking. The next word is please. You can use it in the following ways. To make a polite request, like this. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Or to accept an offer politely if someone asks, would you like a biscuit? You can say, yes, please. Now we have thank you. You can use it in the following ways. To express gratitude for something given. For instance, thank you for the present. To acknowledge help or a kind action, you could say, thank you for helping me. A more formal version is thank you very much, as in thank you very much for your time. Our fourth word is sorry. You can use it in the following ways. To apologize for a small mistake. For example, sorry, I'm late. To politely get someone's attention or to squeeze past them, you might say, sorry, is this seat free? To express sympathy, in this case, I heard your news. I'm so sorry. And our final word, goodbye. You can use it in the following ways. As the standard word when leaving, like this. Goodbye. Have a lovely day. In its more casual common version, bye, see you tomorrow, or when finishing a phone call. Thanks for calling. Goodbye. Fantastic job today. Really well done. You've just taken the most important step. You've begun. You now have the first vital tools to be polite, to greet someone, and to start a simple conversation. Think about that. From this moment, you can walk into a room and say hello. That is powerful. Remember, every single person who speaks English fluently started exactly where you are right now. They started with hello and thank you. The key is trust and consistency. Trust that these small steps are building something amazing inside you. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing means you won't miss another vocabulary lesson, and it allows me to continue creating great content for you. Keep up the brilliant work, enjoy every moment of your journey, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.